3 websites which will improve your skills at software programming and IT programming. These 3 websites will really level up your skills. So what are these 3 websites and why these 3 websites? Number 1, it's GitHub. Why GitHub? Because GitHub is an open source platform where you can host your code online and where you can find a lot of communities that you can share your thoughts. Also, you can get the free code, then you can copy that and paste on your editor, and then on the same code you can play with your editor, and that's how you're gonna get a lot of practice, and that's how you're gonna become a better programmer. When you are surrounding with the people who's doing the same thing what you are doing, maybe they are better than you, but still you're gonna learn from them a lot of secrets, a lot of programming, and a lot of code, like a secret code or a lot of information you're gonna get. So the GitHub is the first website I will have to suggest you, so just go and learn from it about programming and IT stuff. That was amazing. The second website is W3 School. Now, why W3 School is special? Because it's very good for the beginner who want to learn like HTML and CSS. Just for the beginners, it's good. Also, there is a JavaScript and various programming language you can find if you really don't want to pay the paid courses. So it's very good for those who want to learn for free. Now, in the W3 School, you can copy paste your code, like copy any of code. For example, do you want to make a one single page, like one normal website or button? You need the code, specific code for that button. You can just go search it and copy, and then you can play with that code on your editor. It will give you a lot of practice, and you will learn a lot from the GitHub. Remember, it's free source and you will learn a lot through the W3 School. That was the second one. It is great for the beginners. The third one is Udemy. Udemy is different than the others like GitHub and W3 School, because the Udemy has the tutorials that you can get a free tutorial. You can get the paid one as well, but it's cheap. It's not very high. And once you get that and start learning, you're gonna get the very high value from those courses. If you didn't find the free version, you can buy that just for a few dollars, $10 or $15. It's very cheap, but you're gonna groom up your skills more. But the value you're gonna get is way higher than money. So that was the third one. Another one. That's it, guys. Hope you benefit from this video. If you like it, don't forget to smash the like button. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video with the another tips. Peace.